Okay, good morning guys. So I kind of messed up here. I think I showed some details I was maybe not supposed to. Like, I'm new to this whole live streaming thing, so I've only got one screen to work with here, and I had my live stream details pop up. I'm not too sure like how detrimental that is, but I ended the stream and deleted it. Um, But I've already gone through all of this. Okay, so we've got no major news London session. New York session, we've got core durable goods, CB consumer confidence. Yeah, really nothing too crazy here. In terms of news, and now, okay, never mind, news. In terms of news, China code, fears, dollar code map. You know, okay, regardless. Let's just look at our analysis here on gold. Okay, GJ, we had mentioned that we formed this resistance, okay, and then on the hourly closure of 7 o'clock you could have possibly got sales at the break of the low, maybe stop above the previous candle, something like that, and then possibly taking off partials at a level like that, down here and down here for your final target. So at this point, if you were in this trade, you would have been at break even, maybe secured about 36 pips. Damn. Okay, well, you would have definitely been able to secure something there at least. But anyway, we didn't get involved there. Daily candle, got a bit of a wick to fill, but at the same time, we are at a possible rejection zone. Same story with gold. Possible rejection zone, okay? So we really just want to be patient and wait for price to tell us what's going on. But judging from the daily candle, we've pushed straight up, very little bottom wick there, and then no real rejection on yesterday's candle. So I'm looking to drive down a little bit today. Not, you know, I'm not gonna have crazy targets, but judging from a weekly, like I say, tapping into these rejection zones. It's early in the week, it's Tuesday, so there is still that possibility that we retrace all the way up during the rest of the week. If not, maybe we consolidate down here a bit. Otherwise, we've got some clean range here on the weekly down to some of these levels, 80 and 64, even possibly down a bit lower. So like I say, at that rejection zone you kind of just want to be patient with price, and yeah, like I say, judging off the daily candle, I would be happy to take sells today. Definitely not looking for buys. We've had this little bit of a retracement from yesterday, so let's see. We did have this level in yesterday. Kind of ties in with some of the rejections off of this zone and on a lower time frame around about here. As you can see, a little bit below, but yeah, also tying in with some of these rejection levels there. Okay, so we've had our hourly closure now. Very bearish off this resistance. So this is basically the perfect setup in a downtrend. You pull back, create resistance to push back down to support. So we've got about a 75 pip range to support here. 50 pips going up, so we just want to be patient, maybe wait for this fresh hourly to create a bit of a top wick before pushing down, and we'll see what we can do in terms of entries there. So we had our support here, okay, on a 30-minute, which we've closed below, okay, but not very convincingly. Let's look at a 15-minute. Okay, 15 minutes also we've closed below. We don't have the cleanest range here, but I think it's safe to say that we have a support down here and then another clean range over there. I'm not going to be too phased if we break the high of this half an hour candle, but once we break the high of the 1 hour, I may just invalidate these sell ideas. For now, this hourly can go as high as it wants. I'm just interested in getting in as we re-break the current lows of this current candle. So I'm gonna have a target down here, and then definitely take off some profits along the way. We've got a very big range here, 40 pips. So Just saw my mic was on mute. I don't know how long it's been on mute. I didn't say much. Nothing too important. At least. I'm saying sell stops at this level, but I haven't even set them myself, so let me set them quickly. $19.01.5. That's where they're gonna be for me on my broker. $19.01.5. So basically, basically just below the current candle wick, and then just accounting for like spread, like with 2 pips or so. So yeah, we definitely pushing up here. Can't say much about that. We're just gonna have to wait and see. Not too sure where the stop loss is gonna be just yet. We're waiting for this wick to form and hopefully for price to push back down again. So if that doesn't happen, we'll be out either way. So but it's looking really good. We're getting a nice steep wick on this hourly candle. Got like a little bit of a fake out here on a 5 minute. Maybe we push back down now. 15 minutes coming to a close. I've got about 2 minutes here. So right now our stops are looking to be about 32 pips round about. I've got my take profit down at 18.95, around about this level over here. Definitely would have been a nice trade here on GJ. Unfortunately, we didn't get involved. Had a bit of a retracement, but like I had mentioned just now, we would have had our stops at break even by that point, so we would have just got lucky there to continue pushing down. Beautiful. Okay, pushing down perfectly. This is just what we wanted. Creating that top wick on the hourly. And just wait for it to come back to break it slow. So, yeah, I like the look of that. Kind of still stops a little bit lower, about there. Hasn't activated just yet. Okay, there we go, I'm in, so still stops have been activated. And we are just running down. I was about to type in activated, but I mean, fuck, if you can't see that, then really. Actually got slipped here on my position about 2 pips. Currently sitting in about 12 pips, so I'm gonna close out half here, about 16 pips, 12 pips. Stop loss at break even. And that's pretty chilled. So yeah, we secured some profits. Stop losses are at break even. Got a risk-free trade running now. Closed half at about 14 pips. Fucking lovely, mate. Is it not just beautiful? Hey, where's my chat here? Kalen, give me a W there. Asshole. Sitting around 16 pips here. It's looking pretty good to me. Once we break the low of this 5 minutes, hoping to push down into support and close another half of our position here. We do have this minor support here. Yeah, we've got a minor level there, so good thing we secured profits at about 12 pips of profit here right now. We just had a very quick move there. Dropping back down here, I'm looking to close out another half before the half an hour closes, whether we type into that support by then or not. I'm just going to close out another half. Jeepers creepers, look at it go, mate. Oh my word. That is crazy, man. Okay, I'm gonna close out another half here, right now. I need to get my magic keys hooked up because this is taking a bit long. And yeah, we're just letting runners run now. So we've got our targets at 18.95, and then that's that. Stop losses at break even. So this is a risk-free trade, and certainly was a beautiful one. So, Tuesday we started Monday. This is making it 3 wins in the stream so far, and if we had caught that, I mean, it would have been 4. So 3 wins in the stream, up about. So we've secured right now about. Where did I secure? About 30 pips here secured today. So up about 70 pips. As of right now, where I sit personally, profit-wise, I'm quite happy for the day, and we're coming into a half an hour close here. I'm not looking to push it, so I'm going to close out my full position right here at about, let's call it 40 pips. 40 pips in the bag. Great day, great day. Yeah, I mean, flip. Feels good, man. Feels good. Feels very good. GJ is still pushing down. Fuck GJ. You know, he missed it. So I don't know. There's no real point of looking at GJ right now. Like I say, you got sales below this level over here for about 55 pips. Sales below 162, 100. Not too eager on bars above this level here, but you do have a nice clean range. About 60 pips. So, you know, just do with that what you must. I'm probably gonna call it a day here. This was a nice quick stream. I'm not really seeing any more opportunities to come. I mean, it was just the beginning of London session. Only opened about half an hour ago. But I know coming into 10, 11 a.m. things start to slow down by 11. And I'm just not too sure what more could really happen here today. So I'm not going to chase anything. I'm extremely happy with that. And that's what I think you need to practice in trading, is actually being grateful for the profits you do make, because that will help you to walk away when you need to, which is very important, you know, when there's no one to stop. Not really the right thing to say to a trader, because that's something you say to a gambler, but it's the same applies to a trader. You know, I think your decision-making process goes down the longer you sit on the charts. So to sit here for 5-6 hours, you start to make some stupid mistakes. I made a pretty good decision here while I was fresh, and I'm gonna call it a day. Um, I may come New York. I won't be doing a live today for New York. I got some things to do, but I may trade with a friend, and yeah, guess that's me for the day. So 40 pips secured here. Good day. Good day, team. Thanks for the love and support. Okay.